Hello everyone and welcome to the day 5 of Mental Maths Level 1 program by Advanced Robotics. Today we will learn plus 3 formula and we will learn and practice how to apply plus 3 on fingers as well as on abacus. If we are doing calculations and a situation arises where we cannot directly add 3 because we don't have enough beads available on our abacus to directly add 3, or we don't have fingers available to add 3 directly. To add 3 indirectly, we apply the formula, and the formula is to add 3, we add 5 and subtract 2. In this formula, plus 3 is our problem because we cannot directly add 3. Plus 5 is house of 5 or boss or head of house. Minus 2 is friend of plus 3 because when we add 3 and 2 together, they result in 5. Let's practice application of plus 3 formula on units while using abacus. For example, if we want to add 4 and 3 together, first we will place 4. 4 lower beads are moved up on units rod to touch the calculation bar. Now to add 3, we don't have any lower bead to add 3 directly. We only have upper bead which has the value 5. So we cannot add 3 directly. We will apply the formula, and the formula is to add 3 indirectly, we add 5 and minus 2. So we will add 5 on units rod. Then we subtract 2. Means we will move 2 lower beads downward away from the calculation bar. As a result, we get upper bead and 2 lower beads touching the calculation bar, which represents the value 7. So our answer would be 7. Let's take this example for finger maths. If we want to add 4 and 3 together on our fingers, how we will do it? Do it with me. First, we will place 4 on our right hand, means we will open 4 fingers on our right hand. Now to add 3, we don't have any finger left. We have thumb which has the value 5. So we cannot directly add 3 on our hand. We will apply the formula, and the formula is to add 3 indirectly, we add 5 and minus 2. So we will open our thumb and close 2 fingers. As a result, we get thumb and 2 fingers on our right hand, which represents the value 7. Let's practice application of plus 3 formula on tens rod. Let's take an example. If we want to add 20 and 30 together, what would be the formula? The formula would be to add 30, first we add 50 and subtract 20. The basic formula would remain same. As we are applying this formula on tens rod, so we will change formula according to the rod. First, we will place 20 on tens rod, means 2 lower beads are moved up on tens rod. Now to add 30. As you can see, we don't have enough lower beads. We only have 2 lower beads and we have upper bead on tens rod which has the value 50. So we cannot directly add 30. We will apply the formula. To add 30 indirectly, first we add 50 and subtract 20. We will move upper bead down to touch the calculation bar. Then we will subtract 20. We will move 2 lower beads away from the calculation bar on tens rod. As a result, we get only upper bead touching the calculation bar, which represents the value 50. So our answer would be 50. Let's take this example on our hands. If we want to add 20 and 30 together using fingers, first we will place 20 on our left hand, means we will open 2 fingers on left hand. Now to add 30, we don't have enough fingers to add 30 directly. Either we have 20 or thumb which has the value 50. So we cannot directly add 30. We will apply the formula, and the formula is To add 30, indirectly we add 50 and minus 20. So we will open thumb to add 50 and we will close two fingers to subtract 20. As a result, we get thumb, which represents the value 50. So our answer is 50. Let's learn how to apply plus 3 formula on different values using abacus. If we want to add 47 and 31 together, first we will place 47 on abacus. We all know how to place 47 on abacus, so we will easily place 47. Now to add 31. As you can see, we don't have any single lower bead available on tens rod. We only have upper bead, which has the value 50. So we cannot directly add 30 on tens. So we will apply the formula, and the formula is to add 30 on tens, indirectly we add 50 and minus 20. So we will add 50 minus 20, and then to add 1 of 31, we can directly add 1 on units rod as we have beads available. So we will move one lower bead up on units rod to touch the calculation bar. As a result, we get 78, means upper bead and two lower beads touching the calculation bar on tens rod, and upper bead and three lower beads touching the calculation bar on units rod, which represents the value 78. Now we will take the same example for fingers. If we want to add 47 and 31 on our fingers, first we will place 47 on our fingers. Now to add 31. As you can see, we don't have any finger left on left hand. We only have thumb, which has the value 50. So we cannot directly add 30 of 31. So we will apply the formula, and to add 30 indirectly, we add 50 and subtract 20. We will open thumb and close two fingers on left hand. Now to add 1 of 31, we can directly add 1 on right hand as we have enough fingers available. As a result, we get thumb and two fingers on left hand and thumb and three fingers on right hand, which represents the value 78. So our answer is 78. Let's practice few questions of plus 3 formula on abacus. Let's see what's the first question we have. Always make 0. Let's start. Question is 3. First we will move 3 beads up on units rod. Plus 3 again. To add 3 again, we don't have enough beads, so we will apply the formula. We add 5 and subtract 2. Plus 3 again. Now we can directly add 3 in this situation. We will move 3 lower beads up towards the calculation bar. Minus 5. We will move upper bead up away from the calculation bar. Plus 3. Now to add 3, we don't have beads available, so we will apply the formula. We will add 5 and minus 2. As a result, we get upper bead and 2 lower beads touching the calculation bar on units rod. This represents the value 7. So our answer is 7. Make your abacus 0. Let's start. 5 plus 2 minus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Answer 9. Next question. 9 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2 minus 8. Answer 1. Let's look at next question. Next question is of tens. So we will apply on tens rod. Let's start. 20 plus 30 plus 30 again minus 60 plus 30. Answer is 50. Next question. 40 plus 30 plus 10 minus 70 plus 20. Answer 30. Let's practice few questions of plus 3 for different values on abacus. Let's start. First question we have is 52. First we will place 52 plus 43. We can directly add 40 on tens and we will apply formula on units to add 3 indirectly. Minus 65, we will subtract 65 plus 37. We will apply formula on tens for 30 and can directly add 7 plus 21. Answer 88. Make your abacus 0. Next question. 97 minus 65 plus 31 plus 23 plus 13. Answer 99. 0. 96 minus 75 plus 37 plus 41 minus 86. Answer is 13. Make your abacus 0. 28 plus 31 minus 57 plus 63 plus 24. Answer 89. Next question. 14 plus 73 minus 67 plus 32 plus 43. Answer 95. Let's practice same set of questions for plus 3 formulas on our hand. Ready? 3. First we will open 3 fingers on right hand. Plus 3 again. Now we will apply the formula as we cannot directly add 3. So we will add 5 and minus 2. Plus 3 again. Now we can add 3 directly. So we will open 3 more fingers on right hand. Minus 5 means close of thumb. Plus 3. We will apply the formula. Plus 5 minus 2. As a result, we get thumb and 2 fingers on right hand, which represents the value 7. Make 0. Next question. 5 plus 2 minus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Answer 9. Next question. 9 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2 minus 8. Answer 1. Make 0. Next question we have is for tens. So we will apply on left hand. Ready? 20 plus 30 plus 30 again minus 60 plus 30. Answer 50. Next question. 40 plus 30 plus 10 minus 70 plus 20. Answer is 30. Let's practice application of plus 3 on different values using fingers. First question we have is 52 plus 43. We will directly add 40 on left hand and we will apply formula for 3 on right hand. Minus 65 plus 37. We will apply formula on left hand for adding 30 and we can directly add 7 on right hand. Plus 21. Answer 88. Make 0. Next question. 97 minus 65 plus 31 plus 23 plus 13. Answer 99. 0. Next question. 96 minus 75 plus 37 plus 41 minus 86. Answer 13. We will practice 2 more questions. 28 plus 31 minus 57 plus 63 plus 24. Answer 89. Last question we have is 14 plus 73 minus 67 plus 32 plus 43. Answer 95. In this video, we have learned the plus 3 formula and we have also practiced the application of plus 3 on units, tens and different values. We will meet in next video and don't forget to practice plus 3 formula. Take care.